Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I am going to unbox the Erin Condren Spring Surprise Box with you. I haven't even opened it, so I came home and this was waiting for me, and I was very excited. I also am doing a collaboration on some of Erin Condren's new notebooks, so I will do a video for that because that box was also waiting for me when I got home. So you can see in the Spring Surprise Box, it's got a kind of a theme of the nice purple lilac colors, which happen to be my favorite. And inside the lid, I'm trying to get this in the video, it says, "Let today be the start of something new," which is just lovely. And this box is reversible, which is nice because sometimes on the outside, it's hard to get the mailing label off. I was able to get mine off, but it's still a little sticky there. So, lilac is the theme. You can see the box itself is a little bit deeper than most of Erin Condren's regular boxes, so curious to see why and what's inside. So here's the card, and on the back, of course, will be the contents. So I'm not even going to look at that right now. So the first thing I see is this little washi tape, which is actually, I don't know if you can see it, but it has the times of the day and then little check marks next to it. So if you do something hourly or periodically throughout the day, this is a nice little check mark washi tape. So I love that. And then I guess the first thing we see is this gold coiled notebook of, I don't know what type of notebook it is. So let's look inside. I want to make sure you can see this in the video. So welcome to your vision journal and vision boarding. So it is a vision journal. You can brainstorm on some dot grid pages and then outline your vision, what it means to me, list your plans and your actions for bringing the vision to life. And so, yeah, it's for planning out ideas and visions. And then at the end are lots of note pages, lined, dot grid, and blank. So I don't know if this is going to be in the store going forward. I hope so. It seems like a really great planning tool. And there's the cover says, "Let today be the start of something new," and it's in these beautiful, like, sort of watercolors. And the gold coil, which is definitely, usually like a $10 upgrade, I think, on your notebooks. So that's a really nice thing to be included. Then the next thing I see is, I guess, an interchangeable pen, so you can change the tips. It's an interchangeable pen kit. So you have the body of the pen, which is sort of this piece here, and then there's two highlighter tips, and then a wide pen kit, and then a fine pen tip, rather. So that's really fun. So you can use one pen with all different tips. Then there's a petite journal, a productivity journal. So it includes 8 productivity pages. So if you've, I'm going to open this. Usually I just show you everything right away and I don't go through it, but I just want to sort of enjoy each piece. The cover of the journal, the petite journal, is so pretty. And then Erin Condren has made a lot of these productivity type pages available in her like loose leaf to go in the binder, the Life Planner binder, and some of her notebooks also offer this productivity page layout, so you can put your to-do list on the side and then notes there, and then the back of the page is fully lined. So the next item in this Erin Condren Spring Surprise Box is a cleaning checklist notepad, which I love because I have a really hard time staying on top of my cleaning schedule. So there's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and miscellaneous with little check boxes. So you can kind of list out what you want to clean each day, and and keep up to date on that. And I don't know how many pages are in here in this tablet, but there are a good number, so I am pretty excited about this. In fact, I should probably start right now since I've been away. Let's see. Yep, all the pages are the same, so that is very useful. And then there is a fun sticker sheet. And then the last item, which I don't even know what this is. I'm pretty intrigued. Yep, that is all there is. Let's see what's inside this. Oh, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. It's looks like a pen cup or a planter or, yeah. And it has the Erin Condren pattern, you know, her signature pattern around the outside. But this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the card and go over and tell you what is exclusive and what you'll find in the store. So the Vision Journal, this first one that I showed you over here, this Vision Journal is an exclusive to the box, and it's a $31 value. The ceramic planter, so it is a planter, is exclusive to the box, and it's a $12 value, so that's only available in the box. The cleaning notepad is a $10 value, and it is a sneak peek, so this will be available in the store. The Wildflower Petite Journal, which is this one, with productivity layout, is exclusive to the box, and it's a $9 value. The Do-It-Yourself Interchangeable Pen Kit is a sneak peek, and it's an $8.50 value. And I wonder if she's going to have more tips and things available in this store. It is a sneak peek, so we'll see. Maybe, you know, maybe there'll be a bunch of different varieties to be able to use, which is fun because actually you can put the tips in either side, so that, you know, one tip in one side and one tip in the other. So when you're traveling or when you're away from home, you can, you know, if you have a certain color theme for your layout, you can put those different pens and you don't have to have the same color on either side. So the washi tape duo, this one, so actually there's two washi tapes in here. So I think the checklist is, the checklist must be, not checklist, but the check boxes must be one roll of thinner washi tape. I'm not going to be able to open this, I think, on the video. It's going to need scissors or something, maybe. Oh, here we go. So, yep, there are two rolls of washi tape here. So this has the time of day on it, and this is just check boxes, which is actually really nice. You could use them together, or you could use the check boxes for anything you want, like a to-do list, a kind of on the go, stick it wherever you want to use it, have a to-do list. So that's really cool. That's exclusive. And then this clear sticker sheet is also exclusive. So that is the spring surprise box. Very exciting. I love it. It's definitely just a fun respite from all the stuff that's going on in the world right now. So let's let today be the start of something new, and hopefully, you know, the best is yet to come. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and come visit me on my website, where I do a lot of Erin Condren reviews, productivity videos, unboxings, and just generally light, fun content. My name is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com.